back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. If you are new here, I do hair reviews, lifestyle stuff, and whatever else in between. But today we're going to be doing another review, and we're going to be doing a review on this beautiful wig, and it is actually a 2-in-1. It is a straight and curly wig that converts back and forth, but there's some enhancements about this unit that you're definitely going to want to stick around for. So today's hair sponsor is GeniusWigs.com. They sent me this 18-inch 2-in-1 wet and wavy wig. I have done a review from this company already. This time, this is the Crystal Lace.
Oh, are not always what they see. Can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. Start living for the moment. Letting go of the past, yeah. Start cherishing what you hold dear, and we will make it last. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. Hey. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. Baby, you'll be fine.
Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is wet the one side of my hair, and we're going to get it curly, and then we're going to compare the curly side to the straight side. See, it's already starting to go curly. What I like to do is brush through it and then do that again. I did do the ball cap method, even though I hate doing ball cap methods, just so you guys can see the true beauty of this wig. Water just activated the curls, and as you guys can see, she is curly compared to the straight side. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Isn't that really cool? So some of the benefits of the crystal lace is it does lay flatter than usual, and it blends into any skin tone. So I love that about this wig. And the knots are obviously less obvious on this wig as well. So it also comes with a grown hairline. What does that mean? Well, that basically means that it looks more natural. It looks like it's kind of just growing out of your scalp instead of like a bunch of hair there. Now, for me personally, I don't know if this would be like a wig that I would wear every day, because you definitely need to wear it like ball cap, because if you don't, it's gonna show through and it might not look as good. So yeah, it does look really natural, and you know, when you do the ball cap method, yeah, it looks great. But I don't know personally for me if this could be something that I would want to put on every day, because it does look like it's balding. Like when you have the wig just on the wig head, it does look like it's balding, but they did that intentionally to make it look this way. So that is that grown hairline, girl. And of course, you guys, it is a 2-in-1 style, so it can be wet or straight. So on both sides, I have two different styles going on. I have the curly side and I have the straight side. So you can definitely curl it and straighten it. In my other video, I did show the curly part being straightened again, and it definitely does straighten after it's curled, so you don't have to worry like, does it go back to straight or can it go back to curly? It does. It can go to straight to curly to straight to curly with no effort whatsoever. So it has an elastic band just for some added security, which is really nice. I do really like that feature. But yeah, so far I'm really impressed with this curl. Like, I actually really love the curl pattern of the curly side. So I don't know what they did over there to figure out how to do this whole technique, but it's so cute. And this side here is just giving like natural hair vibes. Like, you know, when you relax your hair and you do a blowout, this is what that side is looking like. Or it can also be known as like a yaki or a kinky kind of straight texture. So yeah, it's definitely not like silky smooth, but she's definitely giving like natural girl vibes. Right about now, we're gonna go ahead and wet down the other side so we can see what it looks like. I'm excited to see both sides curly, because I know, you know, this video has just been mainly about the half side. But yeah, let's go ahead and curl this side up with the water, and you guys will see how quickly the curls will start to form on the hair. You don't actually have to do anything. It does just curl up on its own. But you really do need to get the wig pretty wet in order for it to really like take to the curls. And you need to wet it everywhere. Trying to be careful and mindful of where I did apply my bold hold or my hairspray or what. Those are water soluble and they will start to lift if you are not careful, and then your little wig's gonna come up. So yeah, it is curly already there, but now, like I said, I'm gonna comb through it. Pulling some spots in the back that's like really dry. I'm gonna refill my bottle. I happen to just have a bottle of water here. And no, I'm not bougie and I don't put bottled water. Woo, the water is dripping on my back. Whoa. I don't use bottled water to spray in my hair on a normal day. So same thing, I'm gonna go ahead with the brush. Ooh, so pretty. I swear it feels straight, but no, it's curly. Okay, I'm tripping. Now, I'm really paranoid about these wig caps when you do the bulb method, because you can still see it. Like, if you look really close, I can see it there, I can see it here, but the lace is so crystal clear that yeah, you can literally see everything. So unless you're gonna do like a flawless ball cap method, which I thought I did, you want to be careful with this method, because yeah, it will show all the flaws and everything. Okay guys, so this is what the wig looks like, curled on both sides. What do you guys think? Let's zoom in and look at the hairline. Cute. And I'm really loving the curls. I think the curls are absolutely stunning, and I'm really here for this wig. It fits me really well from ear to ear. I had no issues with that. So I would definitely say I would recommend you guys trying this out if you really want that pre-plucked look without the work and the hassle, and you love the idea that you can do 2-in-1. This is a great option for you guys. I think their hair is really good for what it is, so definitely check them out if you're in the market for like a 2-in-1 wet and wavy wig, because these wigs are cute. Like, either way, they're cute. You can do straight, you can do it curly, you can do whatever. And with this hairline, you can put it up, you can wear it so many different ways. So yeah, we are here for it. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for you guys, and if there's a coupon code there, it'll be there as well. I gotta run, guys. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.